In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 2 WhatsApp accounts on one phone. As you can see, this is my phone and I only have one WhatsApp icon on this. I only installed WhatsApp once, but I'm going to show you how you can get WhatsApp twice on your phone. So you can go to the Play Store and then you want to type in WhatsApp, and when you type it in, you can see the first WhatsApp, but you can't install it twice. So you want to scroll down till you see WhatsApp Business. You want to go to install the app. So just install it. And what you can do from here, you can install or basically use a different phone number for this WhatsApp Business app. So when you launch it and open it, you can select a completely different phone number. So now it's going to download. As you can see, it's taking a couple of seconds, then hit open. And as you can see under here, you can see use a different number. You want to hit use a different number, and here you want to add it, and then you can create a second phone number. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.